Hey, what is going on? My name is Freddie and we're back with Make It Yourself. So listen, today we got a little bit of seafood mac and cheese going on. Alright, it's gonna be some shrimp and some lobster in there. The cheeses, everything is to your preference, so you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm gonna just show y'all what cheese I use. So yeah, I'm not really finna overtalk it. Let's just jump right into it. After you get done putting the pasta on, go ahead and chop up and rinse off the seafood as you see me doing. You'll know when the pasta is done because when you stick a fork in it, you'll be able to see that it's still a little firm. It's just not too hard. It has a little wobble to it. When the pasta is done, go ahead and take it off the heat. You about to start on the seafood. For the seafood, I use Cajun seasoning, but like I said, everything is preference, so you can use whatever seasonings you prefer. This here is how I make my cheese sauce. A little bit of butter, some flour, mix that in, add in the cream. I used heavy whipping cream, but you can use whatever you want, like milk. And then when that thickens up, go ahead and slowly add the cheese, but make sure to take it off the heat while you're adding the cheese in. Because I've learned that if you don't, it'll just be like too soupy, in my opinion. So you want it to maintain its thickness. So yeah, give it a quick little stir, add the seafood in, and then you're done. What I'd say is add a little bit of salt to the cheese sauce. I showed Siracha earlier on, but I wanted to leave that completely optional to you guys, so I didn't even show it. You could throw it on top if you want that little bit of kick to it, but like I said, I wanted it to be completely optional. So if you have any suggestions on what I should do next, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. Let me know how yours ended up coming out if you did make this. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.